Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here, a very good evening to you all. So we are back with the results of close-up coins. A huge shout out to everyone that played along, and there will be another close-up coins coming up tomorrow. So number one then was a Paddington coin, Paddington from 2019, outside the Tower of London. We'll move on then to the second coin, this one made back in 2006, and it is indeed one of the Victoria Cross coins. The anniversary date there on the right, the 29th of January 1856, means that this one is the Victoria Cross medal. The front of the Victoria Cross there, for valour on the left hand side. VC Victoria Cross, 50 pence, the coin's face value at the bottom. We move on then to number 3, and that word there is actually Peter, and this is the second of 3 Peter Rabbits to be released for UK circulation, and it is indeed the 2017 The Tale of Peter Rabbit. We move on then to number 4, and we've got Elle running to try and get to Tesco before it closes at 11. Well, maybe we don't. We've actually got the runner of the Commonwealth Games, Glasgow. This one, quite a difficult one. A lot of people have got it correct when I've zoomed in on the biker. But again, a huge shout out if you managed to get that one correct. And good news, another Commonwealth is coming next year, the Commonwealth Games Birmingham. So the final coin then was a territory coin, a little bit of a difficult one. And again, a huge shout out if you got this one correctly. And it is the 2014 The Snowman and the Snow Dog 50 pence coin. What we are going to do now is we're going to have a little look at all of those that managed to get 5 correct. A huge shout out to Darren Cheshire, Ian Strudwick, Squirreling Coins, Norman Graham, Dylan64 Gaming, and also Terence Day. An amazing job indeed. So before Christmas, I am going to have to get you to do another one of these. It will be up tomorrow. Best of luck to everyone that takes part. Don't worry if you don't get any of them correctly. We just do it for a little bit of fun. And it's another, hopefully, fun game on the channel. Stay safe. Thank you all for playing along. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.